Hey guys, it's Phil. Headed to I-55. We're double duty tonight. We're gonna run UMP Sportsman, and then we're also gonna run Civic. So Civic did not too bad last time. We just needed to find some traction, which I think we got some things done to the car now to pick up that traction. We'll see how it works tonight. All the little changes I made. Sportsman, last time I took it out, this will be the first time you guys see the Sportsman on the channel. We'll probably do some just out-of-car video on that. Not much up-to-date stuff with it. We'll just show you guys what else I race. But last time I ran it, we blew the motor up, so got the motor in, finished it up today. That's why it looked like a mess again. So busted our tails getting that car ready, but Civic was already ready. I finished that during the week, so it was already on the trailer ready to go. So we're headed to I-55, and we'll give you updates when we get there and let you know how things are going.
Headed to the track, guys. Headed to the track. So I'll be in the 11 car tonight, Old Faithful. Like I already said, Phillip will be behind the wheel of the 111 Salvage hatchback 111. So, and then Old Pops, the mailman, is back behind the wheel tonight. Southern Raceway, Milton, Florida. Man, have we had so many issues with that car, but we think we've got the bugs figured out. So I am really excited to see him excited about that car again. There was a time where he was darn near ready to give up on it and just sell the car. It got that bad. And so I'm excited to see what he does, and excited to see how we finish tonight. So as far as up here in St. Louis, out at Peevely, Federated Auto Parts, it will be a cold 45 to 47 degrees. So gonna be a little chilly for us. They should have good weather down there. I will see you guys at the racetrack. Okay guys, racing has started. We got cars out on the track. Hot laps felt pretty good. We rolled out second and third quickest, I believe, something like that. I'm in the third heat, outside pole. Phillip's in the second heat, I think second row outside. So he's been super busy with the other car, but yeah, we're gonna get at it, and we will talk to you guys after the heat race. I don't know. So guys, with this one, just got out from hot laps. We caught on fire, right, Louie?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oil on the spark plug wire.
All right. That was quite the scare, right?
Yeah. Especially after blowing the motor the first week.
Yeah, Phillip blew this one up, unfortunately, the first week, and then caught it on fire in hot laps, right, Phillip? How do you feel?
Felt good.
Yeah?
Besides catching on fire again, but it's pretty good.
So, they're getting it squared away. I'll try to get some footage of this one, because this is super exciting. Phillip's first, I guess, ever race in this car.
Besides that last time when I
Yep, yep.
slick stuff, and I'm actually hitting the rev limiter.
Are you really?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. I'm focusing on just being smooth. After watching A-Flem and the in-car camera, and looking at some of my older stuff, I'm just trying to get back to not wasted hand motion. So we should start pretty good. We'll see you guys in the feature.
Down here, but they've got some of the biggest hearts in racing. Onforu. All right, lights are out and we are ready to go racing next time around. EJ Brown, Phillip and Travis. Both those teams really knowing their way around this track. They're side by side down the back stretch. The rest of the field tucked in behind them, nose to tail. We're going to go road racing coming out of turn number 4. And they're coming into 3, side by side. Let's go racing. Watch that green stripe on the wall. Here we go. Travis Fleming also having problems. Those two are having a good battle. Travis Fleming in that number 11. They got the tire change. Down here on the front stretch, wrapped in that 95 machine. Have a little bit of fire underneath the hood. Control running at 51, having to stand
next video on the guys, not the night you want, because
Oh, it was
Hey,
the
get
night
him
I
out of
wanted.
here.
freaking
Get him outta here.
Joey, stop! Get out of here, Joey!
I'm leaving.
No, congrats! No, come here, come here. Tell the people. This is Joey Laws, driver of the '74 Civic over there. Joey, tell them your perspective.
Perspective on what?
Yeah, on the whole race.
The race was good. I wasn't going to catch Phil, unfortunately. He had it up until his car just shut off. I think he shut it off just so I could win, though. Thanks, Phil.
You had to help us confidence.
Yeah.
Phillip, what happened?
I have no idea. It's just rolling around really good there. It felt incredibly fast, like really fast. Like the car just handled perfect. You could stay in the throttle and the car stayed rotated, so like you just had grip. And then 2 laps to go,
Do you have your
all of a sudden it
I do.
just shut
I
off.
do.
So.
Yep. As far as my night,
Thank you.
Hey, man.
I don't know if you can see that. It's leaning completely out. Rolled a tire, then hit the wall. Because of that, snapped the lower control arm. Threw a tire back on. Didn't know the control arm was bent and rolled another one, obviously. So I felt great tonight. Won the heat race. Felt relatively fast in the feature. Just like Joey said, I don't think anyone would have called the 111 machine tonight, but we'll regroup back to the drawing table. We gotta be Joey now. That's last 2. So
Hey, as long as the Hondas keep winning, we're all good around here.
he's gonna get people stirred up. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Not a great night for us as far as results, but honestly, pretty fun night overall.
If you guys see the Sportsman, I think that motor went boom too.
Phil didn't have a good night.
Phillip's gonna run the hatchback all season and drive the Sports. We'll catch you guys later. Y'all have a great night.